Good morning, everyone. My name is Pak Booty, and I've spent over 50 years in the classroom, teaching, mentoring, and creating materials that make learning easier, simpler, and more joyful. I've always believed one thing: great teaching isn't just about sharing knowledge, it's about making learning joyful. Today, I'm embracing a new chapter, exploring how AI avatars can empower my teaching legacy. There are three key motivations behind my interest in using AI avatars for education. First, after more than half a century as a teacher, my lifelong commitment has been to create materials that make learning easier, simpler, and more joyful. AI avatars offer a fresh way to do exactly that, bringing lessons to life in ways I could only dream of before. Second, as someone living with diabetes, I've come to appreciate the importance of staying mentally active and creatively engaged. Designing AI avatars isn't just about teaching, it's about well-being. I believe this creative process can support better blood sugar control and help slow the natural effects of aging. And third, as a retired educator, I want to challenge a common misconception that older teachers can't adapt to modern technology. That's simply not true. Learning to use AI avatars has shown me, and I hope it shows others, that we can embrace new tools at any age and use them to inspire the next generation. My teaching career may have spanned decades, but my mission remains the same: to inspire, to innovate, and to keep learning. AI avatars are not the end of my journey. They're simply the next chapter. So to my fellow educators, retired or active, remember this: our legacy is not just what we've done in the past, but what we choose to create today. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future where learning never stops.